In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday AI in the Monday Service platform with a complete tutorial that will guide you through each critical step. To get started, you first need to make sure that Monday AI is enabled in your workspace. Begin by going to your monday.com workspace, and from there, click on your profile icon, navigate to Admin, and then to AI Settings. Here, make sure the Monday AI toggle is turned on. If you're using Monday Service Pro or Enterprise, AI capabilities are included already. Just ensure that all team members have the necessary permissions to use these features. Remember, Monday AI can be integrated across various products such as Monday Work, Sales, and Service, all utilizing the same Sidekick assistant. Now that you're set up, let's look at how to access Monday AI within the Monday Service environment. There are three main avenues you can explore: using the Monday Sidekick chat panel for questions and workflow creation, accessing AI actions directly in your tickets or items, and leveraging AI in docs and dashboards for summarizing conversations or generating detailed reports. Next up, let's enhance your service ticket management by using Monday AI to summarize them effectively. Open any service ticket or request and click on the AI Magic Wand icon located in the Updates or Activity log. Select the option to Summarize Conversation, or if you prefer a specific format, type a prompt such as Summarize this ticket in 3 bullet points, or highlight key issues and current resolution status. Quickly, Monday AI will provide a comprehensive summary that can be shared with your team or clients. Speeding up communication is another advantage of Monday AI, which can draft responses for you. In the reply or update box, click on the AI icon and choose whether you want to write a reply or improve my text. The tool will draft a professional, consistent response tailored to your preferred tone. Examples might include apologizing for delays or confirming issue resolution. Fine-tune these outputs by requesting modifications like make it shorter or add empathy. For internal management, Monday AI can aid your service team by creating internal notes and tasks. Commands such as summarize this issue and assign a task to IT support will allow AI to convert conversations into actionable tasks, reducing manual workloads. Let's not forget the powerful automation capabilities of Monday AI, which can suggest workflow automations based on your existing service patterns. In your automation center, click Ask Monday